Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, really large flower motif. You can use it as a doily, decoration. I'm using it as part of my Irish crochet cardigan that I'm working on at the moment. Let's get started. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. I am using some red yarn. This yarn is scrap yarn, so you are going to see me joining a lot of loose ends together. I've also got a darker red, just because I want to put an outline on the flower. You do not have to do this. So let's get started. We are going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slip stitch into the first chain space, chain 1, and we are going to place 14 single crochets in this center space. So 2, because the first one always counts as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we're going to slip stitch into the first chain space there. Now we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to place my nail there just to remember where that chain ends. I'm going to chain a further 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and place 3 triple crochets, 5 chains down. So like that. So I've got 2. I'm going to place my third one. 1, 2, 3. What I'm going to do next is chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to single crochet at the start of the chain 6. So we've got a little loop right here. 3 triple crochets in the same space. 2, 3. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slip stitch into this space here. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are going to slip stitch into the next chain space of where we started our work, like this. Slip stitch into the next space, and we are going to repeat this pattern all the way around until we have 7 floppy little petal foundations. So I'm going to do another one with you slowly, and then I'm going to speed up for the remaining few. So chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 triple crochet. Now I've got 3 triple crochet. I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to single crochet into the center there. And I'm going to put another 3 triple crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to slip stitch right next to where we started. There we go. So we're going to make 7 of these in total, and then I'll come back and share with you what to do next. So I have the foundation of our flower ready. Let's move on to round 2. We're going to work each petals separately. Let's start with the first one. We're going to place 4 single crochets in that first chain 5 space. Next, we're going to work into the next chain 5 space by placing 4 single crochets here again. So I've got 2, I'm just going to connect some more yarn. 4 single crochet. I'm going to place 2 half double crochets on top of the first triple crochet and another one. So 2 half double crochet. On top of the next triple crochet space, place 2 double crochet. On top of the next triple crochet space, place 2 triple crochet. 1, 2. Now we're going to work in this space, chain 6 space that we made. We're going to work 4 triple crochet, we have half our petal complete. Chain 4, and we're going to do a picot stitch, which means we're going to put a single crochet in this space here, like that. And we're repeating this exact same pattern the opposite way. So we've got 4 triple crochet in this space here, 2, 3, 4, 2 triple crochet on top of the chain, on top of the triple crochet space, 2 double crochet on top of the next triple crochet space, 2 half double crochet on top of the next triple crochet space, 4 single crochet into the last space there, and in the next chain 5 chain going up, 4 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to do a single crochet in between the 2 petals to help us move on to the next petal. So that's our first petal complete. I am going to go ahead and complete another petal with you, and then I will do the rest off camera and come back. So we're starting with 4 single crochet, 4 single crochet in this chain 5 space here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 half double crochet on top of the triple crochets that we done, 1, 2, 2 double crochets on top of the next triple crochet space that we made, 2 triple crochet on top of the triple crochet space that we made, chain that we made rather, 4 triple crochet on top of the little ring that we made at the top. 2, 3, 4, chain 4, picot stitch, 4 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 triple crochet on top of the triple crochet, 2 double crochet on top of the next triple crochet, 2 half double crochet on top of the next triple crochet, and then 4 single crochet in the chain space, 2, 3, 4, 4 single crochet in this space to work our way back down, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet in between the petals in order to get to the next petal. I am going to come back and tell you what to do next, because I have gone ahead and put a border of single crochets around my piece, just because if we don't, the petals can be flimsy and floppy. I have just put a stitch between them just to keep my piece nice and together and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my darker shade of red. You can absolutely use the colour that you have been using to create your piece. I'm going to just secure my yarn like this, go into any petal, slip stitch, single crochet. When I reach the top of my petal, the pointy bit that we've made, I'm going to place 3 single crochets in this space, and I'm going to do the same thing all the way back down. Now when I reach the end bit, I am going to carry on just single crocheting into the chain spaces. But what I'm going to do now is, so I've done this one petal, I am going to single crochet just 1 or 2 more chains up. I'm going to place my petal down, and I'm going to just go ahead and just slip stitch the 2 petals together, and I'm going to carry on doing that all the way around. So I will single crochet around here all the way through here. When I get to here though, I will connect this petal to this petal, and then I'll carry on going around here, and when I get to here, I will connect this petal to this petal. So I will carry on, and then I will show you what the finished piece looks like. Okay friends, I am back. I have my beautiful piece ready. I'm so pleased with this. There is so much you can do with this. While I was making this piece here now with you, I was thinking you could also connect loads of these flowers together and make a really nice kind of throw just to put on the sofa, the couch, maybe even a really pretty shawl with this pattern. What are your thoughts? I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment, please subscribe. It does not cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. And please check out my other videos. I've got a beautiful cardigan coming along with similar patterns and this colour. Have a blessed day. Bye.